Scammers only need a brief audio clip from social media videos to clone a voice. They scrape public posts to steal your relative's exact vocal tone in seconds. The FBI Internet Crime Complaint Center recorded $893 million in losses across 22,000 complaints mentioning artificial intelligence in 2025. Investment fraud with an artificial intelligence nexus reached $632 million, making it the single largest category of reported losses last year. Federal Trade Commission consumer alerts warn that scammers clone family members' voices, call pretending to be in trouble, and demand money right away. McAfee research found that 77% of people who receive a convincing artificial intelligence voice clone call and engage with it end up losing money. Congressional researchers estimate that fewer than 5% of voice clone victims file a report, meaning real financial losses are likely several times higher. Protecting yourself requires knowing exact countermeasures, starting with a pre-arranged family security question designed to immediately expose synthetic voice generators. Step 1. Ask your preset security question immediately. On-screen caption reads, "Ask secret family question." Artificial intelligence tools struggle with specific personal facts, causing hesitation or generic answers when confronted with a pre-arranged family question. Step 2. State you are hanging up to call back. On-screen caption reads, "State you are calling back." Always call the person back using a phone number you know is theirs from your saved contacts list. If you cannot reach your loved one directly, try to get in touch with them through another family member or their friends. Step 3. Hang up immediately upon any hesitation. On-screen caption reads, "Hang up on any excuse." If you spot a scam, federal guidelines advise you to report it directly to the Federal Trade Commission at reportfraud@ftc.gov. The Federal Trade Commission continues its work through proposed bans on impersonation fraud and applying the telemarketing sales rule to artificial intelligence calls. Innovations from federal challenges include algorithms to detect synthetic voice patterns and real-time audio authentication technologies designed to protect consumers. While advanced device-level spam filters and telecommunication network watermarks were not covered today, they form part of the full protection system. Explore the complete security guide to protect your household from voice cloning fraud today. Visit our channel for more safety updates.